Good morning, humanities students. This video will be to show you how to do the African comparison chart. We did do it last week, so might need a refresher. So I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to, I'm going to use Humanities 1 this time. Make sure I go to the general channel, go to assignments, practice our patience while it loads, find African region comparison chart, click on it. Your student view shows this. Open in Teams. Once it's open, make sure that it's you can edit within the doc. It looks like someone started filling this one in. That's okay. Get rid of that. So once you're in here, this is what the website you're going to use for climate, natural resources, agriculture, and industries. So these 4 columns, you'll use the first website. And average income, you can see it says average income right here. So you'll use those 2 websites to complete the columns. So how do you do this? So as you go down, you'll see that there are the 5 regions: North Africa, West Africa, Central Africa, East Africa, and then finally Southern Africa. So those are the 5 regions. If you need to finish it, you'll just pick up where you left off. So we'll say we left off here at Central Africa. So I need to find a country that I want to do these, that I want to research these 5 topics on. So the first thing I'm going to do is right click, and then find open link. Click on open link. So it'll give me the web page. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking in Central Africa. So I'm going to find African regions, Central Africa. Scroll down a little bit, and then I have this list of Central African countries I can look into. So I'm going to go with Angola. It's just at the top. So I'm going to click Angola and wait for everything to load. You can see up here that it's loading. So here we go. So we're going to scroll down. You see a nice picture of the Luanda Bay. You see the flag. You see the map. This is where Angola is. I'm going to keep scrolling down. This is the part that you want to really focus on, is the country profile. As you go down the right-hand column, they have all kinds of information here. Official name, country code, government, geography, major cities, climate, people, natural resources, agriculture products, industries. So I'm already thinking to myself, I remember I needed something about, okay, so climate, natural resources, agricultural products, industries. Okay, Mr. April said I could find those 4 on this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split screen so that I can fit it all in here. I'm going to get rid of that anymore. So I can do them side by side. So I can keep track of what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm bringing this down to Central Africa, and I need climate first. So let me go back over here. Here's climate. I'm going to highlight the climate, copy, come over to my Teams work, and paste in here. And I use paste text only. Sometimes when you click paste, it doesn't show. So make sure you use paste text only. And then you'll repeat the process for, let's see, natural resources, agriculture, product, and industries. And you can see those are all right here. Okay, and you'll just highlight, not all of that. Highlight, copy, and come over to the document. This is agriculture products, and paste text only. Okay, so I'm not going to keep that in there. I'll let you figure it out. You can complete that for yourself. So the other one is average income. So I need average income for Angola. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, find open link. There it is. And up here, I'm going to put the word Angola in. If it's really small, that search bar disappears. So just stretch it out. And then you can put Angola in here and click search. And make sure you click on the choice you want. And here you see it. So I'm going to make this bigger. It's a little easier to copy that way. So this way I get it all the way across. All you need is the gross salary and gross salary in US dollars. Okay? And you're going to highlight that. And you're going to copy. And you're going to come over here. And you're going to find Angola. And you're going to paste it into your average income salary. Okay? So that's how you're going to finish up the chart. At the end of the chart, there's some questions you need to answer as well. What are some similarities between these countries? What are some differences between these countries? What are some benefits you can infer? So what are some good things about living in these countries? And what are some challenges you can infer? So what might be some difficulties, some struggles? And once you're all done, you're going to turn it in and then email me or chat me on our team page and let me know that you turned in or finished the Africa region comparison chart. Okay, I hope this helps you all. Have a great day, everybody.